Hi guys, reptiles here with IHTW.
Hello.
This is my new salamander because my old one, Squallow, the ensatina, passed away a little while ago.
Very sad.
Sad. I don't know why. He just randomly died, basically. I don't know why. But, yeah, I got this salamander from IHTW that we found in a previous herping video, my last video actually. I haven't made a video in a while because my camera is broken completely, or was anyway. But yeah, this is my new tank as well. I got a 5-gallon tank. It's got the light on the top, and yeah.
It's a pretty big upgrade.
Yeah, I put lots of water because he likes water for some reason.
They do like swimming.
Yes. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys.
We'll be upgrading it pretty soon.
We're gonna be putting some new moss in, stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Outro with a frog and salamander.